A commercial plane carrying 239 people vanished over the Andaman Sea 5 years ago today. The aircraft was flying from Indonesia to Malaysia when it disappeared from radar. Despite an extensive search, no wreckage was ever found, and no trace of the plane or its passengers was ever recovered. The case remains one of the biggest mysteries in aviation history. But what happens now? A lighthouse in the Indian Ocean has just received a black box from the missing plane. To tell you all about this, we turn to our man in New Delhi, our own Channi Sharma. Channi, tell us about this latest development. So, the search for this missing plane began 5 years back. And today, a major breakthrough of sorts has been made. A lighthouse located near the coast of Tanzania on the East African island of Zanzibar has received a black box from the missing aircraft. Now, this black box is basically like an underwater recorder that continuously records data related to a plane's journey. Things like its speed, altitude, and location. It then stores all of this data, which can then be analyzed by investigators to figure out what exactly went wrong with the aircraft. In this case, the black box is expected to reach Jakarta within the next few days, and experts will try to download the data from it. They hope it will help them figure out why the plane crashed. The Malaysian authorities say that the data could help them trace the last moments of the aircraft. But why is this a major breakthrough? Because for the longest time there was no trace of the aircraft. Its wreckage has never been found. So this black box, even after 5 years, is a very important lead. Hello? The plane had gone missing. Right. And the search operations were carried out immediately. But what happened to the plane? It just vanished without a trace. Yeah, that's right. You see, according to the data that was available with the officials, the plane had enough fuel to stay airborne for at least 6 hours. But the pilots did not make any distress call, and the plane did not send any signals either. So it was quite hard to locate the plane, especially since the area where it went missing is quite vast. The plane could have gone down anywhere in this region, and to carry out the search operations, 3 countries, Indonesia, Malaysia, and China, they had to deploy ships and aircraft. But after 71 days, the search was called off. There were no signs of the plane or its passengers. And how did this black box reach the shore after all these years? Well, that's a very good question. You see, a team of experts was in the process of locating the aircraft using a sonar. This is basically a device that uses sound to estimate the location and the depth of objects underwater. So the team was using this device when suddenly they got a signal. They followed it in Voila. They found the black box. Now, this is not the only signal that they have found. There is another one nearby. The authorities are trying to locate it. They say that it could be from another aircraft. But here's the thing. There is no record of any other aircraft going missing in this area. So the authorities are wondering if this second signal is from another plane that never took off, one that never reached its destination but was never reported missing, and we'll keep you posted on what they find out. Thank you, Chanding.